Okay, today I want to talk about this black. This is actually not full black. This is sort of dark brown black of leather sofa. Okay. I must warn all of you the so-called leather sofa cleaning whatsoever solution selling on that rack is sometimes not suitable for your leather cleaning, okay? Of course Europeans they are more richer, more wealthier, they will hire janitors, clean companies, cleaners to clean all these types of sofa cleaning job, okay? For sofa there are fabric and there are the leathers, okay? So coincidentally this is a Russian owner. His dark brown leather is this type. Okay. One type of testing is you only go and squeeze, okay, or you spray only a teeny bit very teeny weeny bit, okay, on a cloth just to test out, okay, test it out on the base or here, okay, that's it. So that whether that leather cleaning solution is the right cleaning mixture for that color black